What do we got today? We've got a current generation next gen Ranger. At some point, we're going to stop calling it the next gen Ranger. It came out in 2022. It's been 3 years. It's the current generation Ranger, RAPY, depending on who you ask, and it's going to get the reinforcing J-brace brackets, which is applicable for 2022 to the end of 2024 models. So if you've got a brand new Ranger 25 plated one, you don't need to add the J-braces anymore. Ford has gone ahead and reinforced the inside of the tub to allow that. To get that reinforcement without having to add those braces. Anyway, apart from that, let's get stuck into it. We'll see you at the end. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit video of this hard lid and J braces on this brand new Ford Ranger. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you want to grab a lid for yourself, like I said, canopies.com.au is the place to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.